Hi there, friends and neighbors. This is your old pal Jesse and Lisa, who's somewhere around here. She'll be popping in any minute now. Coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be about SOUPtember, hosted by Leanne. I may not always be right, but I'm never wrong.
Well, that's
So
a question for debate.
So anyway, I told you she'd pop in, didn't I? Yeah. Anyway, and if our surroundings look different, it's because we moved from Texas.
They are different.
We're on the move. Not moved, we're on the move. We're out traveling, but you know, we are still part of this SOUPtember collaboration hosted by Leanne over at Mennonite Farmhouse. And if you haven't checked out Leanne over at Mennonite Farmhouse, what are you waiting on, folks? Where's my camera? Okay, well, what are you waiting on, folks? She's an awesome collaborator. She's an awesome host. She's done this collaboration now for, I want to say 5 years now, 4 years, 4 or 5 years. And we've been lucky to be a part of it ever since. And just want to let you know there's going to be a lot of collaborators putting out videos all month long. There'll be a schedule posted in the description of this video or a description in any of the other videos that you go watch. And we encourage you to go watch them because there's going to be a lot of good soups for the SOUPtember collaboration.
A lot of good recipes.
And believe it or not, we are out on the road traveling, but that doesn't mean we can't have soup. We can't enjoy soup.
Right.
And Lisa's going to show you how we make soup on the road. And one way we do that is through what we call our freeze-dried Fiesta bowl. We're going to have a great time showing you how Lisa makes this. But before we get started, we announced it on October 2nd.
Thursday, October 2nd.
Not the 1st, not the 3rd, but the 2nd. We're going to have a big giveaway. And when I mean big, one of the prizes is a $100 gift card or a $100 Amazon equivalent, if you want to go Visa or Amazon. And that's for, I want to say that's for the Comment Picker Award. Then there's going to be a $50 gift card that's going to be given away to somebody in the chat. And then we got other prizes going to be donated from Little Hill Homestead, and believe it or not, lazy days ahead. And we got some goodies for you. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's going to be a surprise, so we want you to go to the giveaway on October 2nd. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce my wife, who's going to be hosting this video tonight. But we got a extra special treat. I was hoping she would.
I'm sorry, my assistant.
We have an assistant all the way from Canada.
Joni from Creekside Maples.
But don't hold that against us, okay? All right? She's going to be helping Lisa in the kitchen. That means I get to get out of the way.
It should be fun.
Yeah, so stay tuned, folks. All right, so Lisa, so what do you got to make for this traveling soup that you're going to be making, this Fiesta soup?
Well,
4 bean?
I brought my freeze-dried soup mix that I freeze-dried 2 years ago.
How many beans are in there?
It says 4 bean soup.
I can't see 4 beans in there, but if you say so.
But don't get me to lie because I can't remember what exactly I put in here. But I'm sure it's vegetables and beans.
Mm-hmm.
At least 4 beans. So it's freeze-dried, been freeze-dried for 2 years, and we're going to use this today because I brought it. And it was easy to pack.
So it takes the 4 bean package there, okay?
Yeah.
And then what else?
So I've got water, at least 1 quart to begin with, and then we'll pour the soup mix in there, and then let it rehydrate, and then we'll see if we need to add more water. But I'm also going to put some seasoning salt, some cilantro, and Italian seasoning in it.
Okay. And then, so what do we have over here, Joni?
Well, of course, we've got the trusty ladle, which every good cook knows.
You have a ladle witch?
Oh. And these are going to be a very special accompaniment. And I think that Lisa was really slaving over them hard.
Okay, awesome.
And look, we've got the presentation is all set up here in the magic of YouTube cooking.
Perfect. Okay, so let's get started. What goes first?
Okay, I've got 2 quarts of water, and I'm going to probably just put half of it. It may take the whole, and it probably will.
Okay, so I know you add water to soup, but you're adding this because it's freeze dried, right? And you're trying to
Yes.
reconstitute the freeze dried ingredients, right?
Correct.
Okay. So as you can see, folks, this package is very light, so it's easy to carry if you're going on a trip, traveling.
So, okay, it does have carrots and potatoes and take out the oxygen
So
absorber.
that's what it looks like.
There's hamburger meat, potatoes, corn, green beans,
Wow.
carrots.
So you can add whatever you want to it, right?
Yes.
After the
If you
fact?
want to add stuff to it,
Like
you can.
like ground beef or corn or.
Look at all that goodness.
Looks wonderful.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, smells like. I
Smells
may
like-
not have to put any
like soup.
seasonings in it. Let's do medium for right now. So I'm gonna stir it around. It's got. I mean, it does have some seasonings in it, so you can see that
Now,
there's green beans, there's corn,
Look, it's already starting to
there's
reconstitute.
potatoes.
Look at that.
Yeah. Hamburger
Holy
meat.
moly.
Yeah, look at the green beans. Are really
Right?
when they soak up that water. We could add some rice to it.
A little bit
See,
more
so
beef.
there's red beans and
Pinto
pinto
bean,
beans.
black
and
beans.
I think those are black beans there.
Yeah, corn,
This is gonna be good.
carrots.
Yeah,
See
there's carrots. That's awesome. This is 2-year-old soup.
Soup in a bag.
Right. So when you freeze dry it, it actually lasts for years, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay, so this is what all that was in the bag. About a quart's worth.
And that feeds what, maybe 2-3 people?
Yeah.
Good sized bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to, and I'm going to add some more potatoes,
Okay,
which
these are,
I canned
Wow.
also brought with us.
who does that? Who brings their own candy with them on a trip? Oh my
And
goodness.
we love corn, so I'm going to add some more of my canned corn,
Yeah. She says I'm corny.
and we're going to add some more hamburger meat.
Oh, okay. Is that Wagyu?
No. Fred Meyer's best.
Fred Meyer's best, okay. That's a
So
store here in
it's-
Oregon,
I mean,
folks.
it's heating up really good, and it's
Yeah, I can see the smoke coming off of it now.
the steam coming, yeah.
Boy, does that smell good or some kind of winter. Ooh, wait, look at she's all bubbling and then going and I'm ready to eat. Let's go.
Let me turn the fire down just a little.
Okay.
I'm going to put some salt.
Add a little salt to taste, of course, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And some pepper.
To taste, of course, right?
Right.
Here, put some there. I just want to taste. Okay.
Oh.
Yep, that's the taste.
Just a little bit of Italian seasoning.
Is that the one we got
No.
from Ginger?
No, it's the one they had here at the.
Oh, so it's a substitute then.
Yeah. Some cilantro, because I like cilantro in my soup.
Cilantro.
Some people don't like it. They say it tastes like soap, but
Well, after you boil it out,
we like it. And then some seasoning salt. Just some
Seasoning.
all-purpose seasoning salt.
Okay. Starting to smell like the Fiesta bowl now.
Stir it.
Yeah. Freeze-dried Fiesta. Okay, so you added,
And technically, right now, it's ready to eat.
well, so just so you'll know, Lisa, we showed you what it made. Lisa added more potatoes
I added more
and a little bit
potatoes,
more ground beef.
some ground beef,
Okay, so
and some corn. I added
Oh, yeah, a little
jar
bit
of
more corn, that's right.
I did.
yeah.
And it has carrots in it. So with it bubbling and heated up, it's ready to go.
So you're telling me you cooked this in less than 15 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yep.
Went from freeze-dried bag,
Freeze dried.
that bag right behind you,
Mm-hmm.
went from that to that in less than 15 minutes, folks. Right?
That's right. Yep.
So I'd say it's time for a taste. What do you think, Joni?
I agree.
Okay, well, we're gonna next we're gonna try this out.
Okay.
So we're done now, right?
Yep, we're done. It's cooled
Oh,
off.
look how good that looks. Joni, what do you think?
It looks awesome, as I knew it would.
Wow. That's cold Canada Dry.
Ginger ale.
That don't look too dry to me. Perfect.
You can hear that.
All right, so in honor of our guests, Tony and Joni, who are from Canada, we have our traveling soup. That's 4-bean Fiesta soup right there, folks. Look at that. How awesome is that? And we'd like them to try it. Let us know what they think.
All right,
All right, Tony.
here we
I
go.
want you to be truthful now.
Brutally honest.
Yes, tell us the truth. Joni?
Maybe not too brutal.
Yeah, not
That's
too
very
brutal.
good.
It might be hot. Be careful.
That is very good.
It's not spinach, Popeye.
Very good. No, that's very tasty.
Yeah.
I would
So-
say a 23 vintage.
23 vintage, right?
Yeah. It's very good.
It is awesome. Excellent.
And wash it down.
Wash it down with a little bit of
Little bit of
Canada
Canada
Dry.
Dry.
Cheers.
Jesse and Lisa.
Yes.
Mm.
All right, folks, so Lisa just made this Fiesta 4-bean Fiesta soup. We're gonna try it out for the first time. It looks amazing, but I wanna try it with a cracker. I love crackers, so I'm gonna try it with a little bit of a cracker. Got carrots, beans, green beans. Oh my goodness.
It's hot.
It might be a little hot. Here it goes.
I want to sit down and enjoy a bowl of soup.
Folks, you gotta try this. Now, you may not have it freeze dried, but all the ingredients that you put in there, you can put that together yourself and put it in a soup. It's great for when
It
it's
tastes
cold
like
out.
it's been cooking for like 4 hours on the
Or,
stove.
yeah. So
That's really
we
good.
want to thank once again Leanne for inviting us to this collaboration. It was an awesome experience. We love the SOUPtember because of all the different variety of soups that you can learn to make. We also want to say we hope you can make it to the giveaway because it's going to be a $100 gift card, Visa or Amazon. But we'd love to see you there on October 7th. It's going to be at 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central. 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central, October 2nd, right?
Yes.
And it's a Thursday night. So we hope you can make it. Love to see you there. Don't forget to go check out all the other channels. They're going to be putting out a whole bunch of the soups out there, and we'd love for you guys to go check them out. Leave a comment because there's going to be a comment picker prize. So check all the videos and leave one on ours especially. So until then, love you. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I guess I probably need to turn the stove on too.
That might help.
So we will do.
People pay that. Those are the money shots, Josie. Yes.
Where are you seeing peppercorns?
Well,
That's part of the bean.
I thought they were peppercorns. Look, it's just like one. See beside the little yellow corn. What's that little corn?
Inspector Joni over here.
Taste for 'em. Hot. The hamburger meat.
wasn't.
The hamburger meat. I took a chunk of hamburger meat and it burned my mouth.
Oh.
That's very.
Here's the star herself.
Well, it was bursting with flavors. It was magnificent. It was out of this world. It was the experience of loving it. I've never eaten soup that well before.